Hey guys, it's Mrs. Carr, and it is Friday, May 8th. It's Friday, it's the end of the week and the last day. It's Friday, it's the end of the week and the last day. And I'm going to keep this quick and short and simple because it's Friday, because come on guys, it's Friday. Hey. So all you got today is quizzes. So this is your weekly formative assessment, so please make sure you take care of this. Guys, please don't forget you get 2 attempts. So if you get below a 70, you know you need to be taking that quiz again. Okay? So please make sure you are doing your very best. Utilize your resources, use your anchor charts, use your videos that you watched earlier in the week. You can go back to Thursday's videos in Khan Academy. You can go back to the district curriculum videos, and you can utilize Microsoft Teams. Guys, you have options, so please don't just go through it and guess and then get a 50 or a 20 or a 40 and then say, oh well, and then not redo your quiz. Come on, guys, you all are much smarter than that. So I want to see some really good grades this week. Should be pretty easy peasy, okay? And that is it. As I said, make sure you're utilizing Microsoft Teams if you have questions, and don't forget to join us on the field trip if you have not already done so, depending on what time of day you're listening to this. All right, guys, y'all take care. Y'all have a great weekend. I'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye.